friends, I want to show you guys the newest leather quills that we have in the shop. They are so beautiful. We released our red leather heartbreakers probably about a year ago, and the red heartbreaker leather has a sealer on the front, and when you scrunch it, it has gorgeous texture and they're beautiful. But we had some people who didn't like how shiny that they were, and total preference thing. If you love your heartbreaker leather, you keep loving it. But when our tannery released this leather, I knew that we had to get it because it is so much like the red heartbreaker leather, but it has a matte finish to it, and it is just absolutely beautiful. So these are our rose petals. We released our rose petal maybe in like August of last year, and we did a pre-order for VIP quillies and golden quillies, but we had a smidgen of the leather left over, and we decided to go ahead and make some quick chips with it rather than re-release the leather because it is sold out. Now this leather is basically the same color as the red heartbreakers, maybe just slightly more pink in the fact that it doesn't have a sealer on it, so you get more of that true red color. This is kind of a waxed finished leather, or dry waxed finished leather, excuse me. So it does have that drier texture to it. It will scratch and show distressing. It is, let me see if I can get it, see if I can scratch it with my nail. And then if you just rub it, the scratch will go away. It's just a fabulous leather, you guys. So the biggest difference between this and the actual red heartbreakers, if you own a red heartbreaker, is the fact that this does not have that finish on it. It has that matte texture and that matte look. I'm actually going to probably set one of these up for my December dailies page, or my December daily pages, because I think that this is like screaming buffalo check to me right now, or buffalo plaid. Like, you guys know that color that I'm talking about. It is gorgeous, and it is like super trendy right now. So when we did this, I was like, I need to make some super cool, like buffalo-esque inserts. As you can see, it does have that matte finish to it, like I said, and a lot of them have gorgeous texture on the front because this leather itself is also a very textured leather. But the inside is one of our black bag leather hides. Now this does have a sealer on it, so you don't have to really worry about water spots and things. If you wanted to make these reversible, you totally can. You just need to switch out your elastic, and then you can have black on the outside, red on the inside, or keep them red on the outside and black on the inside. Again, all of these have some level of texture on them. It's really beautiful. And this leather is thin enough where it's going to mold around your inserts immediately. You're not gonna have to really train it or anything. If you use hardcover bullet journals, this one is an A5. Here's a hardcover bullet journal. I actually just put my hardcovers under the last elastic and then kind of fit it in there a bit, and you still have your other 3 elastic for, you know, other inserts you have. And I mean, it just covers it like a dream. It will pinch at the corners if you only have one insert in there, but I mean, it is such a good feel to it, such a good weight. Now you can fit, oddly enough, I have another bullet journal right here. If you wanted to do 2 hardcover bullet journals, which you guys know how much I love my Rodias, you can just squeeze it in there. And that's 2 hardcover journals, and you guys probably have another room or enough room for another soft cover. So check out how just delightful that is. And it molds around the inserts right away. They don't really wriggle around or anything. It's just fabulous. And you have a nice, it's gonna kind of look a little funny right now because how I have them in there, but I just love this leather. It is so great. We did release these yesterday, and I have currently, as of filming this video, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, I have 5 A5s left. So I have this one with the gorgeous texture, one that's a little bit flatter, which I need to actually put elastic in, another one that's a little flatter, one that has, you can see some stretch marks in it, it's really pretty, and then one that has, the last one has a lot of gorgeous texture on it. Unfortunately, these will all be up in the quick ship section, so they're not going to be photographed individually. If you have one that you really like, you're welcome to, you know, put it in the notes to seller. If it's available, I gladly will ship it out. But when you're watching this video, I'm not sure what's going to be left. So as I'm filming this, I do have these 5. And then I have 2 B6s. So this B6, it has a little bit of texture on it, a little bit of texture on the back. Oh, these aren't stamped with our leather quill stamp yet. I've still got to do that. Normally I do that before I film the video, but I'm running out of daylight here. It's a very gloomy day here in Michigan, so. And then this is the other B6 that I have, which has, it's a little bit flatter, but actually it'll go like that. And the insides are black. Oh, you know what? Lies, I have 6 A5s right now. That's what the other one, the last one looks like. Oops. And then I have 1 standard. And I wanted to show you guys, if you are using a standard and you use the Hobonichi, check out how beautiful this fits in here. Like a dream in our standard size. So you put it underneath the back cover. Check that out. Who doesn't want to carry that around? I mean, seriously. That is just so cool. I was thinking about setting up this Hobonichi as a decade long, so 10 years, December daily journal, and I still might do it, but I don't know if I want to or not. I'm like still on the fence. I'm trying to decide. I know I want to do a December dailies this year, but I'm kind of thinking about maybe setting this up as a decade long one, since it is like 500 pages. Look for another video on that, what I decide that I want to do, because I'm going to make my decision today on it. But I just wanted to share these with you guys because I love this leather. Again, it is a sold out leather, so what I have is what I have. We did release it yesterday, and we sold about half of them yesterday. So this is, as I'm filming this video, this is all we got. Again, I only have 1 standard, 2 B6s, and 6 A5s. If you have any questions on this leather, let me know. I would be more than happy to answer them. It's just a fabulous leather, you guys. If you like red or you're looking for a cover for December, these are ready to ship, so you will have them depending on when you order. If you order them like today, which is the 21st, you'll definitely have it before December. If you order it on November 30th, it may not arrive before December 1st. But this would be gorgeous for a December dailies cover, a December cover. It just screams like buffalo check to me, or buffalo plaid, or whatever it's called. But I like it. So if you have any questions, let me know. And thank you so much for hanging out with me. Bye-bye.